Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast from Siam Center Law Group. In this episode, we will talk about something that many people may not expect, but it can have a significant impact on your daily life: fleeing from an arrest warrant. Once you have an arrest warrant issued against you, fleeing not only creates legal issues, but also affects various aspects of your life. Let's dive into the consequences of fleeing from an arrest warrant and how to resolve these problems. Dealing with government agencies. If you have an arrest warrant in the government system, this means you will not be able to update important documents, such as your ID card, house registration, or other official documents. When officials check the system online, your arrest warrant will immediately show up, preventing you from completing these processes. Therefore, fleeing doesn't just complicate your life, it also causes you to miss the opportunity to handle important paperwork. Impact on civil registration data. If you flee for more than 180 days, the court will order your name to be removed from the household registration and automatically moved to the central registry. This means you will be listed in the database of individuals who have fled from arrest warrants. To re-enter the household registration, you must provide evidence that the warrant has been canceled or that you have complied with the court's orders. Legal consequences. The arrest warrant remains in effect until you are apprehended, or the court orders its withdrawal. The statute of limitations for the arrest warrant depends on the type of case you are involved in. For example, if it's a bounce check case with a penalty of up to 1 year in prison, the warrant remains valid for 5 years according to the Criminal Code, Section 95, subsection 3. So even if you flee, there is still a possibility of being apprehended in the future. Impact on daily life. Fleeing from an arrest warrant affects your daily life in many ways. For instance, you won't be able to conduct financial transactions, open a bank account, or use Social Security card services because your arrest warrant status will be checked each time you try to complete these actions. Additionally, applying for a job or traveling may involve detailed checks, and if authorities find that you have an arrest warrant, you could be arrested immediately. Solutions. If you find yourself with an arrest warrant, the best solution is to go to the police or court to begin the legal process. Handling the arrest warrant properly according to the law will help restore your legal status. Summary: as discussed, fleeing from an arrest warrant not only creates legal problems, but also affects many aspects of your daily life. To resolve this issue, you should follow the legal procedures to avoid future consequences. If you find that you have an arrest warrant, it's recommended to take legal action as soon as possible. We hope you found today's podcast helpful. If you have any further questions or need legal advice from Siam Center Law Group, please contact us through the channels we have provided. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.